Just to clarify, I have already done this on the channel before, however I wanted to make a better quality tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows Media Player 11 on Windows 2000 with extended kernel. The first step would be to download the Windows Media Player 11 update for XP from the Microsoft Update Catalog. As you can see, even though I have the extended kernel, it still detects Windows 2000, which is where this program comes into play. This is KDW's FCWin2k, which might look a little bit overwhelming, but it's easy to work with. It allows you to set compatibility mode for Windows XP and newer from this dropdown. Then, in this field on top, you drag and drop the file from My Computer. And finally, you run compat as Windows XP, for example. The problem with this is that, okay, it will run, however, if you try to validate, it will either hang or tell you it's already installed, that is on the second attempt. So what are we supposed to do? Well, if you remember, in the beginning, the setup wizard wanted to extract some files. Here's a slow motion view if we try again. What I want to do basically is grab these files that it extracts so that I can mess with the installation itself. And while it's running, let's open My Computer and see where it extracts these files. That would be the temp folder. So you should enable hidden files and then go to local settings and then temp. Find the folder ixp000.tmp, and to make things easier, you can simply copy it to the desktop while the wizard is open, because otherwise, if you close the wizard, it will delete the files in this folder. Okay, now that these temporary files are permanent, we can manually install the update. Run wmfdist11 first, and it will show you an error message. But running it with FCWin2k won't do much because wmfdist11 also extracts its own set of temporary files, this time in the root of the C drive, so long as you don't close the error message, of course, else they will be deleted. It should be a folder with many letters and numbers like this one. To bypass the error message, we need to find which executable runs and then force compatibility mode for Windows XP. Okay, drag and drop update.exe onto FCWin2k and run it. There you have it, but you need to finish with the installation before closing out of the error message. I know it's kind of convoluted, but if you close the error message, the temporary files will be deleted and you will corrupt Windows Media Player mid-installation. Okay, now you need to repeat this process for WMP11, which is the Windows Media Player itself. Again, there will be a folder with letters and numbers. Open it, then open the update subfolder and run update.exe with FCWin2k. Now when WMP11 finishes, you will be ready and Windows Media Player 11 will be on your system. You can close the error message, close File Explorer, also close FCWin2k and delete the initial temporary files that we copied to the desktop. As you can see, Windows Media Player 11 works perfectly fine with the extended kernel of Windows 2000. I don't know about you, but I kinda like the imitation of the Windows Vista Aero glass scheme on the title bar. Must have been really sleek and modern at the time. So, okay, thanks for watching this tutorial, hope it was useful or interesting for you, and I'll see you again.